done 2 trips now with Cambodia Motorbike Tours and pretty excited to go back for a 3rd one in January. Always a fun place, nice people and really good atmosphere. People often ask, how difficult is it? Well, the tours are designed for someone with basic trail riding experience, and to get everyone through and see the countryside. It's a really good way to explore a new country. And if you're still worried, go and check on the site, and there's some really good videos up there of what the terrain is like. The food's really good over there. It's nice to have good accommodation and a good feed at the end of a long day's riding, and yeah, it really is enjoyable. One of the really cool things I like about the motorbike tours is that they give money back to the community for the poorest of the poor, building houses, upgrading schools, and giving back to the people that need it the most. Can't wait to go back for another adventure in Cambodia. It's going to be a good one.